Hi there everyone and welcome back to Chill and Trade TV. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and click on that notification bell. And if you're back here again, welcome back. And if you want to trade with a regulated FSC broker, just click on the link in the description down below. And if you want to know exactly what is an FSCA broker and how to check if your broker that you're currently trading with or using is FSCA regulated or not, there is a video in the channel, so just go back there and have a look at that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, in this week's video we'll be looking at Audcad and Gbpjpy. So I hope you guys have been keeping up with Audcad and Gbpjpy because I did do previous videos on these pairs, and they did play out as we anticipated. So right now I just want us to revisit them and just adjust according to the new current price movement. Let me just go to the H4 time frame. We did touch on this pair and identify how it's going to play out, so you can just go back in the channel and have a look at that video. So right now I just want us to adjust just that just that there. I think we can just leave this because it's just a rejection week, so if you did watch the previous video we did, we were actually anticipating this move to the upside, the push down for that third touch which it gave us, and price pushed up again. So currently, let me just remove this. So since price did push to the upside and it's currently giving us a correction here as well, I do anticipate another push to the upside as well, which might affect the overall outer structure. So there's the pattern here. Let me just identify this pattern. This is on the H4, but we'll go down to the H1 time frame to have a look at if we do have any possible trading opportunities or not. This is a nice pattern. So this pattern indicates continuation to the upside, ladies and gentlemen. So let me go to the daily. Let me go to the daily. Like I said, should this push go to the upside again, it might affect the overall outer pattern, the outer structure, which is this one. This is a descending pattern, ladies and gentlemen. So it might extend a bit. So we'll just see how price plays out. But for now, our focus is just to get trading opportunities on this pattern, regarding this pattern right here. So, and what I like is that we can still get uh, opportunities within the pattern as well, instead of actually waiting for it to break out. So, this is what I am anticipating for next week. So, if price does push aggressively to the upside, I'll be anticipating a nice continuation pattern, and then I'm going to enter at the break until the highs. So this is what I will be anticipating for next week. if price does respect our setup, enter the breakout and then catch this buy, and then I'll wait for price to actually break out as well. Let me use this. I'll actually wait for price to break out as well, and then either give me a retest, then enter the retest and take my buys again to the upside. Right there, right there. It's either a retest or a continuation pattern. Either or, either or. There's a nice zone there as well, so there's enough confluence. The breakout, the retest at the or at the zone or diagonal support. So either the retest or a continuation pattern like this once price breaks out, and then this will be my other target. Just gonna have a nice tight stop loss below the zone, somewhere there. My stop loss will be somewhere around there. So I'll be just looking to catch these buys. Let me just do this. Stop loss will be below the pattern, So this is the first buy I'll be anticipating, and once price breaks out, I'll be looking for the second buy until the highs. So that's AUD CAD for now, and then we'll revisit this pair once this movement plays out. So let's go and have a look at GBP JPY. And if you find value in these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. And like I always say, we might have different trading strategies or styles, but as long as we get the same direction, that's all that matters. Okay, with GJ, ladies and gentlemen, if you remember from the last time, we were looking for continuations to the downside, something like this, something like this to happen again, because price has been repeating itself regarding this push to the downside. However, it seems like it's giving us something here. It might be an even bigger correction for this overall trend, downtrend. So meaning, let me just probably when this completes, whenever it completes, we will still be anticipating that push to the downside, that push to the downside. So this trend is gonna have like basically two legs. This one there, that, and then like this, like that. So that's what we'll be anticipating to play out. So for now, basically it's just gonna be the same thing. Our focus is just gonna be here. Let's see if we can just identify this pattern and see if we have something or not. So from that high, I think once the market opens, it might just be a bit bigger. Let me use let me use this on the 1 hour. I don't think there's a need to go to the H4. Just use this high and this high. So this is the pattern. We know this pattern. This pattern looks very familiar. It's a wedge. It's a nice rising wedge. So what we'll be looking forward to is the third touch. We have this first touch there, second touch there, then the third touch. So I don't know how you guys feel about this. If price does give us a short-term opportunity for a buy, maybe you can catch this on maybe on the lower time frame, maybe 15 minutes, and then just scalp this move to the upside. Should you get a continuation pattern or a confirmation, whatever you use, whatever you use. Then once this completes, we know that this pattern always completes at the start. So basically our targets will be right there. Our targets will be right there. So from that high, once it completes, you can just get your targets right there and then wait to see what happens when price gets here. If it gives you a continuation pattern or a breakout and retest, I think I will be in the trade as well until these lows, until this lows.